Welcome to our channel. If you need to connect your Apple TV to a WiFi network, whether it's for initial setup or changing networks, follow these step-by-step instructions for a successful connection. Step 1. Turn on your Apple TV and your television. Make sure your Apple TV is connected to your TV via HDMI and that you've selected the correct input source. Step 2. From the Apple TV home screen, use your Siri remote or Apple TV remote to navigate to the Settings app, which is represented by a gray gear icon. Step 3. In Settings, select Network from the list of options. This will show your current network status and available connection options including Wi-Fi and Ethernet. Step 4. Select Wi-Fi to view all wireless networks within range of your Apple TV. The device will automatically scan for available networks in your area. Step 5. From the list of available Wi-Fi networks, select your network name. Use the remote's directional buttons to navigate and click to select your network. Step 6. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. You can use the Siri remote's touchpad to navigate between letters, or use your iPhone or iPad to enter the password more easily. Step 7. After entering the password, select Submit or Done to attempt connection. Your Apple TV will verify the password and connect to the network. Step 8. Once connected, you'll see a checkmark next to your network name. Test your internet connection by opening an app like Apple TV Plus or Netflix to ensure everything is working properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.